Greetings from Kotak Mutual Fund. This festival season, we are bringing an exciting opportunity by way of NFO on Kotak ESG Opportunities Fund, which is opening on November 20th. Globally, we have seen money shifting towards ESG fund, retail, HNI, and institutional investors are allocating more and more money towards ESG funds. This has resulted into ESG indexes outperforming broad market indices over a period of time. At Kotak Mutual Fund, we recognized importance of factors like environmental, social, and governance in shareholder return. We became member of United Nations Principle of Responsible Investing. We were the first asset management company in India to sign up for UNPRI. Over the years, our investment philosophy has moved towards ESG themes. Now we are bringing an open-ended equity fund NFO, Kotak ESG Opportunities Fund, opening on November 20th. This fund will be multi-cap in approach. It will have ability to move across market capitalization, be it large cap, mid cap, or small cap. It will follow the theme of environmental, social, and governance. We believe companies with higher ESG scores will outperform the market over a period of time. This is good from an investor point of view also, as companies having better ESG scores will be positive towards environmental, will be contributing positively towards society, and also improve governance. Kotak ESG Opportunities Fund will invest in companies having higher ESG scores. We will be taking help of agencies like Sustainalytics for determining ESG scores. We will be actively working with our investee companies to improve their governance standards, to improve their social commitment, and to contribute positively towards environment. Kotak ESG Opportunities Fund is a step in right direction, not only from a portfolio return point of view, but also towards building a better society and having better tomorrow. We look forward to your participation.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.